Hey everyone, welcome back to Promptly Pro. Trust me, you can thank me later. Side hustles have never been hotter, and in 2025, AI is giving part-time entrepreneurs a serious unfair advantage. Today, I'll show you the best AI-powered tools that can supercharge your side hustle, even if you're working from your couch in your free time. Let's get straight into it. OneCopy.ai, your AI writing sidekick. If your side hustle involves any kind of online presence, blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content, Copy.ai is like having a professional copywriter on call 24/7. You simply give it a short prompt, like, write a fun Instagram caption for my handmade jewelry, and in seconds, it delivers multiple polished options. In 2025, its new workflow feature can also automate entire content sequences. That means you can set it up to write an Instagram post, create an email to match, and even suggest hashtags, all in one go. The time saved? Easily hours per week, and more time means more sales opportunities. 2. Canva Magic Studio. Design without the designer. Visuals sell. Whether you're creating digital products, YouTube thumbnails, or Etsy store banners, Canva's Magic Studio has completely changed the game. Its AI can generate custom graphics, remove image backgrounds, and even create video snippets for you. And the best part? You don't need any design skills. You type in what you want, like, modern minimal product banner with pastel tones, and it builds it for you in seconds. This is a lifesaver for anyone whose side hustle depends on looking professional but doesn't have the budget for a graphic designer. 3. Durable. The 30-second website builder. Every side hustle needs a home online, and Durable is one of the fastest ways to get one. In under a minute, it uses AI to build a complete, functional website tailored to your business. You just answer a couple of questions, and Durable writes the copy, chooses the images, and sets everything up. Perfect for freelancers, local service providers, or even drop shippers who want to test a new niche quickly. It's basically the set it and forget it solution for having a professional website without the hassle. 4. Descript. The all-in-one video and podcast editor. If your side hustle involves creating content, Descript is a must. It turns video and audio editing into something as simple as editing a Word document. You can cut, rearrange, or enhance your recordings just by editing the text transcript. Its overdub feature can even clone your voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. Imagine recording a product demo, realizing you forgot a line, and just typing it in. The AI makes it sound like you said it perfectly the first time. Huge time saver and game changer for content creators. 5. ChatGPT Plus. The multi-purpose productivity engine. You already know ChatGPT, but in 2025, the Plus version with advanced reasoning and connected tools can run an entire part of your side hustle. It can research suppliers, draft client proposals, create business plans, brainstorm product ideas, and even write code for a custom tool. Pair it with automation platforms like Zapier, and you can have ChatGPT not just generate ideas, but actually take action, sending emails, posting updates, or tracking tasks. For $20 a month, this tool can handle work that would otherwise take hours, freeing you up to focus on growth. Quick bonus. Opus Clip for short-form video. If you're into TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, Opus Clip takes long videos and automatically turns them into short, viral-ready clips. Perfect for repurposing content and reaching a wider audience with minimal extra work. So, whether you're building a brand, selling products, or offering services, these AI tools can help you move faster, work smarter, and scale your side hustle without burning out. If you're serious about growing your income in 2025, the side hustlers who embrace AI now will be the ones who dominate tomorrow. Automate. Optimize. Grow. This is Promptly Pro.